Day trading pros and cons. So as I mentioned in the previous lecture, day trading has the advantage of not being exposed to long-term risk of the traded asset. But in addition to that, there are some other prominent advantages which are important to realize if you want to fully enjoy and take advantage of this tool. The profit potential is incredible. Where else can you gain over 100% on your investment in one single day? Look for example at this recent price movement of the Tron symbol as TRX traded against the Bitcoin. You could more than double your investment in one single day. Look, if you bought the coin at the beginning of the day when it costed around 6 cents and sold it here at 14 cents, you would make more than 100% gain. In terms of dollars, it means that if you invested $1,000, you got back approximately $2,300, a profit of $1,300. And if you were to stay longer for another day, you could even sell it here at around 20 cents while earning $2,300. In such case, you would more than triple your investment. Some people don't even make this amount in the entire month. Now, this is just one case, but there are many other examples, and this is definitely not something that is uncommon to find. By the way, don't worry if you didn't follow the chart I was showing and the calculations part. Soon everything will become super easy and clear. That was just to give you a little taste of the huge potential. Another aspect which is extremely important because it can increase your profits dramatically is the flexibility of trading. In opposed to longer type of investment, day trading allows you to enjoy the same price movement again and again within a certain price range. That way, even if the overall price has not changed, you could still earn a lot of money. Let me show you what I mean by an example. Person A, which is a long-term investor, thinks that the Ethereum price will rise from 1,000. He is buying the coin and holds it, waiting. Person B, which is a day trader, thinks exactly the same. Then, what happens is that the price actually goes up to 1,100. Who do you think can potentially earn higher profits? The answer is that person B can earn much more. Why? Think about it this way. Prices rarely advance in a linear line. This is how it usually looks like. A day trader, by using technical tools which we will learn, can make profits from all these ups and downs in the market, while the long-term traders' profits are not affected by them. It's very possible that before the price went up to 1,100, it went down to 900, and then went up to 1,000. Then it maybe went down to 950 and went back up to 1,000 again. At this stage, the long-term trader didn't make any profits as the price is exactly the same as the one he got into the market with. At the same time, the day trader could make a lot of money. Again, there wasn't actually any change at the current price, which is 1,000, but he had a full range where he could take advantage of by buying and selling his strategic points. By understanding how to properly use technical tools such as support and resistance and momentum indicators, you could sometimes make wonders in day trading. Emotions. Theoretically, you should be calmer when you trade for longer time periods. You could simply buy what you want, turn the computer off and check again next month, or even in a year. In practice, however, it doesn't work like that. People are not rational, and the temptation of following their capital goes up and down, get them into an emotional roller coaster, which can also make them do hasty decisions. In day trading, on the other hand, there is a lot of action, but in order to trade well, you learn how to disconnect yourself. In order to be profitable over time, you need to be like a machine. You simply enter and exit the market according to the predetermined strategies that you have, take your profits or losses, and that's it. You don't need to worry about it later or dream about it at night. Of course, day trading can be very exciting, but if you want to really succeed, you should never let your emotions affect any of your decisions. In addition to this, day trading is very convenient as it allows you to trade anytime from anywhere as long as you have a device and an internet connection. The cryptocurrencies market is one of the only ones that is actually open 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Day trading is also a great intellectual challenge. It's definitely not an exact science, but there are many available tools. When you learn how to connect the information in a creative way, the rewards are literally endless. Now, despite all the positive things, day trading is not for everyone, and you must be familiar with the downsides of it. As any speculative investment, there are high risks, and if you don't approach it the right way, there can be unpleasant consequences. I'm saying this because I want to make sure that you know what you are doing before you risk any of your capital. So as I mentioned, trading always involves with some level of risk. So make sure to never, but never, risk more than you can actually lose. Unexpected. The market might not behave as you would expect it to. There are so many factors that influence the intraday movements, and sometimes unexpected things happen with no explanations and find you not ready. Commissions. Every time you buy and sell, you pay a small commission. Naturally, when you day trade, you execute more trades and therefore pay more commissions. Many traders do the mistake of overtrading, which in addition to reduce the high quality trades percentage, also results in paying much more commissions. Time and energy. When you day trade, you need to constantly track the market in order to recognize good opportunities and in order to manage your existing positions. Okay, so now you know the main pros and cons of day trading. So if you are new to this field, take all of the above into consideration before you make a decision to get in. Remember also that if you think that this is not for you, there are other alternatives such as online signal services, good forums when you can get consulting, or even having a professional trader manage your account. But if you use any of those, please just make sure that you make a decent research to protect yourself from scammers before you invest anything. A good service can allow you to participate in this highly rewarding market and diversify your portfolio.